The last leaf. The last leaf is written by Johann. Through this story will.
Through this story, the
Author has given a message.
the society.
रहने
बोल भाषा बोल रहे हो हाँ
पटेल
तो सोसाइटी और कैमरा ऑन नहीं है रिवाइज करो उसके बाद ऑन करेंगे
अच्छा भी रिवाइज हो रहा है
हाँ
एक हल कॉपी दिखाइए
ना अरे ये ऐसे ही बोलेगा तब ना रिवाइज आएगा बोल बोल फोटो अच्छा आ रहा है कैमरा ऑन नहीं बोल
The last leaf. The last leaf is written by O. Henry. Through this story, the society, willpower, और willpower author है जे
अच्छा बोल रहे हो the author has given a message to the society about the willpower. If our willpower is strong, we can face any problems of the life. आगे बोलो
रहने दीजिए
अच्छा गवर्नमेंट के बारे में बताओ अच्छा हिंदी में बताओ इसका सॉरी
कुछ नहीं पढ़े हैं खाली न्योता खा रहे हैं चालू काका
चालू नहीं है हिंदी में बताओ ना हिंदी में पढ़ा है ना हिंदी का कोई दोहा बता
भाई गिर गया
स्टार्ट नहीं है तो बोलो ना नहीं ऐसे
A House is Not a Home is a story written by Zen Godison. In this story, the writer is giving us a message about how we don't care about what we have until we lose it. In this story, the writer tells us about that he got into a new high school. After he enrolled in that school, he started missing his old school classmates and teachers. And when he started missing everything he had when he was in the old house and old streets. After coming home from that, he was sitting at his house's fireplace when he noticed some smoke pouring in his room from ceiling. Before he could notice, his whole house started lighting on fire, and his mother ran out of the house. He got to his neighbor's house to call firemen, but when he came back after call, he noticed that his mom was running back into the house. He tried to stop her, but got to know that she came out of the house and threw a box of belongings of his father. When he noticed those belongings, he got to know that his mother was trying to save all the belongings of her father before, because that was the last they had of him. Because his father had passed away last year. He was sitting on his porch when he was about to go in, trying to save his mom, before a large hand tried to stop him. When he looked behind, there was a fireman trying to stop him, and he said, "You don't need to go home. Our people will save your mom." He sat on the porch and waited for all other firemen to come with his mom, and all of them, he and his mom sat there for many.
The Last Leaf is a story which is written by O. Henry. Through this story, the author has given a message to the society about the willpower. According to author, if our we can face now a strong we can face any obstacle and problem to life. To prove it, the author has given a example of a girl named Johnsy, whose thought was that I if the last leaf. सर हो गया सर इतने याद सर 2 लाइन बच पे किया.
Good morning to all. This is Maruf Alam of class 9C. Today I am present over here to explain the summary of the story The Last Leaf. The Last Leaf is a story which is written by O. Henry.
In this story, the poet reflect the power of will. If our willpower is strong, we can face any problem and obstacle in our life. And if our willpower is not strong, then anything does not in the world which can compete with any problems. To prove this, the poet has given the example of a girl named Johnsy who suffered from pneumonia. Who suffered
Good morning to you all. This is Sugant Kumar Gupta from class 9C. Today I will explain about the story The Last Leaf. The Last Leaf is a fictional story written by O. Henry. In this story, the author has given a message to society about willpower. Author has said that if our willpower is strong, we can face any problem and obstacle in our life. To prove this, the author has given an example of a girl named Johnsy. Johnsy was a young artist living with Sue. One day she felt ill. She had pneumonia. The doctor was trying his best, but there was no effect of medicine on her because she had thought that I will die when the last leaf of the creeper plant will fall. Berman, a painter living below their flat, had a thought to draw a masterpiece painting. Sue requested her to draw a creeper plant with a single leaf. The next day, all the leaves had fallen, but the painting was looking like there was a single leaf on the creeper plant. Johnsy was alive. Sue said Johnsy that in this stormy day, the leaf is not flattering. This is not a real leaf. This is a painting drawn by Berman. The painting was Berman's masterpiece painting because the painting saved Johnsy's life. Thank you.